Hey kids, in today's video we are going to learn about Ramadan. What is Ramadan? Ramadan is a special month in Islam. It is the ninth month of Islamic lunar calendar. It is a month of fasting, prayer, reflection and community. Muslims fast from dawn to sunset as an act of worship. Good things to do. Worship and self-discipline. They pray more often and spend extra time reading Quran and reflecting on the Quran. Muslims give to those in need, whether it's money, food or other help. This is called zakat and sadaqah. They try to be extra kind and helpful to others, including family, friends and neighbors. Ramadan is a time for forgiving others and asking for forgiveness for any wrong they may have done. Bad things to avoid. Muslims try to avoid saying meanful or hurtful things about others. They work on controlling their temper and being patient even if they are feeling hungry. Ramadan is a time to break bad habits like smoking. They try to use their time wisely, focusing on worship, learning and helping others. When it's time to break their fast, Muslims should avoid eating too much food. By focusing these good things and avoid bad habits, Muslims believe they can become better people and grow closer to Allah during Ramadan.